I burnt a hole in the plate. My bad. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Makyla and I'm back with a YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing 3 different hacks. One is a cooking hack, clothing hack, and beauty hack. Yeah, 3. So with all that being said, I want to welcome everybody back to my channel. If you are a new returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Alright, let's get to business. Next thing, I decided I'm going to only post on Fridays now. That is the best thing for me to do. There's a reason I have a shirt in my hand, by the way. That is the best option for me because school likes to keep your girl busy. They like to give out homework left and right for no reason. And yeah, so I'm gonna just start posting on Fridays. So yeah, all right. Next thing I had to tell y'all before I forget, because this is my 3rd time filming this, is I was running an SGA and I won. And this is the shirt. Hang on. Does it see? So, and this is in a size medium, by the way. And then on the back it says, "Be the reason that someone smiles today." So yeah, but we didn't come here to talk about that. We came here to talk about potatoes.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
It'll make sense later on in the video. You probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but that's okay. It'll make sense later, I promise. And if it doesn't, then I don't know what to tell you. But we're going to the kitchen now, so I'll see y'all there. Peace. Alright y'all, so I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to be making potato chips. So you're going to need 2 small potatoes and olive oil and some salt. So first thing you do is wash the potatoes. I'm gonna dry them. And then, y'all can't see that. Let's adjust this camera. Let's move this out of the way. Right here is fine. Then you're just gonna cut it into really. This is not a cut. I don't know. It's supposed to be really thin slices, but you're gonna get what we get. I might actually just use 1 potato. It just depends on how much this gives me. So I decided just to go with the 1 potato. I know I can't cut, but I tried my best. And then you're gonna take a cap full of olive oil and just yeah, get all. Y'all couldn't see that, but hang on. I'll show y'all. This is too much. You just like put it all over the potatoes. And the video said to leave the brown part on. And next we're gonna put it in the microwave. And then you put it on for like 7 minutes, I believe. And now we wait and check up on it frequently, so to make sure they don't burn.
You better stop! Wait till you see the.
So let's check them. These are not coming out like the video at all, but I guess you have to let them sit on. They have 4 minutes and 44 seconds left. So I kind of burnt them a little bit, but.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ram.
But maybe if I put a little olive oil, because they're still not done yet. It said to leave them on exactly 7 minutes, so I'm gonna just put another cap. Oh my. I just need to get out the kitchen. I gotta clean that up. Oh, look at that. Alright, y'all, so my mom redid the potatoes and she cut them thin. The reason why they burnt was because our microwave is high voltage. So I left them, I couldn't leave them on that long. So this time I'm just gonna, she told me to start them off at 3 minutes and then just keep watching them. And she seasoned them because mother knows best, period. So, oh, I gotta clear this. 3 minutes. I just checked on them and they look way better than the first time. So, and it has 1 minute and 46 seconds, but I'm gonna stop it when it gets down to like 1 minute and 30 seconds. Check on them again. I remade the potato chips because I burnt them the first time, but my mom helped me make them. She cut the potatoes in thin slices and she seasoned them. So yeah, they definitely came out better and they were really crunchy like chips and they were seasoned to the T. That means Lay's has nothing on me. You already know what's going on. So we're in my bathroom. I was gonna start off by saying all right, but we're in the bathroom not because my cooking's bad, but because we're trying this beauty hack. Did you get my joke? Probably not. So this beauty hack requires toothpaste, Colgate. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, and some sugar. First thing first, I'm gonna realize. I'm just playing. I'm gonna wash this. It says to use a toothbrush, but I'm not getting a new toothbrush to waste it for one time. You know what I'm saying? You get me? You picking up what I'm laying down? I'm tripping, I know. So I'm gonna just wash it with hand soap. It's antibacterial soap, by the way, if you were wondering. Probably weren't, but whatever. So I'm just washing it. And oh, I just splashed myself with water. Alright. Okie dokie. So we're gonna dry this bad boy. Let's get started. So I'm gonna put the toothpaste in. Actually, I should put the sugar in first. Please stop. Just behave for the video. I'm struggling to put sugar in a thing. Oh, that's probably too much, but YOLO. And then we got our good old Colgate here. We're gonna get that toothpaste up in there. And then I grabbed a toothpick. Oh, by the way, this is for oh yeah, that's way too much sugar. Let's add some more of this bad boy right here, Colgate. And this is for getting blackheads out, if I didn't say that already. I'm all over the place, I know. So this is how it's looking after I mixed it. Kind of looks good. Kind of looks like some frosting for a cake. Alright. Let's do this thing. I'm gonna just dip it in. It's fine if we mess up this brush. Not really. Whatever. Actually, I'm gonna put my hair back for this one. Whew. Alright. Hold on, what happened to my lighting? Whatever. Let's just... Alright. Oh yeah, that's strong. It feels so weird. I don't think it's supposed to go up that high. Not on my red shirt. It's fine, y'all. It's good. Don't panic. Whatever you do, don't panic. It's about to make me sneeze. This better work too. I'm gonna just take my finger and rub it in now. Watch this not working, I'm gonna be mad. And then we let it sit on for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how to say minutes in Spanish. Is it mental? I don't know. But that's how long we're gonna let it stay on. And then I'll get back to y'all. Peace. Alright, so it's time to wash off this. I got my rag and I'm gonna wet it. We're gonna see how this came out. Hold on. I know I put it up too high, like it's supposed to on your nose, but whatever. Y'all, this hack literally worked. I know you probably can't see it, but my nose is really red, but they're gone. No. Wow. Well, we settled it. 5-minute hacks work for this one. What about the next one? We don't know. Let's debate on that, but hold up. It worked. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. I know you really probably can't see it, but it worked. Alright, y'all. We are done with this hack. This one was successful, better than the first one. But that's okay. That's okay. The RIP potato that burned in the microwave, RIP. It's okay, you're in a better place now. So let's try this third hack. I will see y'all in another scenery. Peace. Alright, y'all. Voice. For this next hack, I'm going to be annihilating my shirt. That's a big word, Makyla. But ignore me. So basically, I'm gonna make a crop top out of this tank top. And yeah, you'll see. So let's get into it. So first thing, you gotta get all those little creases out. And now you cut, I'm gonna cut like, if it's gonna be a crop top, I'm gonna cut like this much. Oh, here it is. You're supposed to use like a cardboard box to hold it in place. But ain't nobody got time for all that. So we're just gonna use our artistic abilities to try and cut across. Not so bad, but let's not speak on it too soon. Low-key want to leave it like this. Was technically, this is not even a crop top, but whatever. And then next thing you're going to do is just cut little thingies in it, like little ruffles. They're not ruffles. Why do I keep calling it that? And I'm gonna try on the shirt for y'all, and y'all can determine if I did a good job or not. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, I guess. Poor shirt. Alright. So I cut the little thingies. Oh, it's kind of cute. Okay, Makyla, I see you. And this is like what's left of it. This could be a cute. I don't even know. Let me stop. So I'm gonna go try this on for y'all, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all. I know I said alright and the word so like 5 million times, but I did a pretty good job, and I decided to cut those bigger squares into smaller squares because we're not basic. These are my biker shorts, by the way. I changed the whole fit to match this and look cute. So it came out pretty good, and yeah. So if y'all want to see me do any more type of hacks, definitely not cooking, because that is not our thing. So yeah, make sure you comment down below. And clothing hacks, we did all right. But skincare hacks, I got you on that. Alright y'all, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family, the latest family around. You already know what's going on, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. What's up YouTube? It's your girl Makyla, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying 3 different hacks, and one is a cooking hack and like a beauty hack and stuff like that, and another one is gonna be like a clothing hack. So with all that being said, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new or returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Dang, I forgot what I was about to say. We'll start over. So for this last hack, I decided to destroy my shirt. I'm just playing. It's going to be a clothing hack, but we'll see how well it comes out. So first you wanna, I'm gonna use my knee to kind of straighten it out. And apparently we're gonna make like a ruffle, not ruffle, but you know, like those shirts that have like the little string like thingies. I don't know what they're called, but my throat, excuse me. So we're gonna cut this across, and then we're gonna cut horizontal lines.
She wanna fall with it.